Hey, welcome to Red Bend by KB Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now behind me, we have the floor plan 1590 that we will be touring, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today's April 14th, 2025, and today we're here at Red Bend by KB Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with this community or where we're located, this is gonna be right off of Sunset and Fort Apache. So we're here in the southwest, really close to South Summerlin. Great location, you guys. We're only about 14 to 15 minutes away from the airport and about 15 to 20 minutes away from Las Vegas Strip, okay? Now, this area is a great area, you guys. We have like the Cowabunga Park that's close by. Right across the street, you're gonna have Southern Hills Hospital. We're actually really close to the Durango Hotel Casino. Plenty of shopping centers close to here, again, close to Summerlin, South Summerlin. So ideal location, great area. I definitely would move out here. Yeah, guys, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans here. Now they're all gonna be 2-story homes ranging from 1,590 square feet all the way up to 2,469 square feet, okay? With base prices ranging from $482,990 all the way up to $549,990. Now guys, again, when you see base price, just know that that's not your total price, okay? You wanna factor in the lot premium and the upgrades. Now the lot premium on here in this community, it ranges from $0 to like $40,000. Now all lots come in different sizes and shapes. That's why there's different lot premiums in the community. Also, when it comes to upgrades, you wanna factor in about, I think most buyers are putting in about 6 to 10% of the base price in upgrades. So yeah, guys, add the base price, your lot premium, your upgrades, that will give you your total cost, okay? Now here at KB, what they're doing, usually they kind of go that route of building from ground up. So you get to pick your lot, pick your elevation, pick your floor plan, all your upgrades. You can go that route. They do have a couple of spec homes that they started. So what a spec home is the builder will choose all the options. That way they'll already get started on it. And that way, you know, you'll probably have about 4 or 5 months away from completion, okay? They actually do have one right now that's gonna be ready in about 30 to 60 days. Other things about the community, HOA is $70 a month, guys. What that's gonna include is you have this park right over here. It is not gated, okay? They have about 82 homes here, around about 82 homes here, okay? Average lot square feet is gonna be about 3,000 to 5,000. Again, there are some lots with different sizes. Build time, if you build from ground up, about 5 to 6 months, okay? I guess they've been averaging about 5.5 months, so that's actually pretty quick. That is it for now, so let's get started with the tour. Hey guys, so welcome to the plan 1590. Now this is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. And as of today, which is April 14th, 2025, the base price is $482,990, okay? Now, the base price will also depend on the elevation you choose. So there's 3 different elevations you could choose from. The elevation is just how the exterior looks, okay? So some elevations might have the stacked brick, some might be like this, but yeah, that's just how the outside looks. Now the paver driveway will be included. This garage right now is the sales office, okay? And you will get the desert landscaping as well. The only thing that won't be landscaped is going to be the backyard, okay? Now, if you guys are, been watching some new construction videos, when watching some home tours, and you're curious about visiting for your very first time, guys, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Guys, just don't go by yourself, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent is going to get your phone number, name, and email. And once they have that, they won't let you have representation afterwards. And you definitely want representation, because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So there's a huge difference, okay? All right, guys, so welcome in. So again, this is 1590 square feet. So you have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. It's nice because you have plenty of windows here that allow for a lot of natural light. So you got these windows here as well. Okay, some upgrades. This house doesn't have too many upgrades. Right now, it's 8-foot ceilings. A lot of buyers will upgrade to the 9-foot ceilings. Okay, and then flooring. A lot of buyers, they won't stick with the standard flooring because there's going to be carpet all throughout the house, except the wet areas. You'll have like a 17 by 17 tile. But if you want to put tile all throughout the first floor or do plank, that is very common. A lot of buyers do. Okay, cool. So welcome to the kitchen. Now the refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included, but you will have like the Whirlpool appliance package, which will be like the oven, stovetop, microwave, as well as the dishwasher. And this quartz is upgraded. The standard countertop is going to be granite. I believe this is upgraded to the single basin undermount sink. Looks like you have the Moen faucet. You have door to your garage. This is gonna be your pantry. Okay, that's how deep it goes. Okay, it's gonna be your backyard. Again, you're gonna have a dirt lot back here. With the HOA, they're gonna give you about 6 months or a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, gotcha. So it's like your backyard and side yard. Now the end of your backyard is actually your neighbor's house right here. Okay. Cool, yeah, so it looks like same for this next lot. The wall is gonna end right here. And then your house is essentially gonna be the end of your neighbor's backyard. Okay, so we got the upgraded mission style railing. Now, if you don't want to upgrade this is just going to be a pony wall. So a pony wall is just an extension of like the drywall. Okay, so this is your coat closet. Okay, let's head upstairs. So as soon as you walk in upstairs, you're gonna see you have your laundry room. You have one bedroom here, another bedroom here, and then you'll have your primary bedroom right over there. Okay, looks like you have a little loft area as well. You also have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Now there is no upgrade option to upgrade it any higher. It'll always be 8-foot ceilings. It's gonna be your laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included. Looks like you do have your attic access up there. And here you're gonna have your smart panel box. So that's how you would connect your internet router and your modem. Okay. This door is a 2-panel door. I believe this is standard. This is also the standard hardware as well. Cool. So this is the full bath. Now, if you wanted to cut costs, actually, this is the standard quartz for your bathrooms. So a lot of times buyers will leave that because this quartz still looks nice. And then you have the drop-in sink. Okay, that is standard as well. The only thing upgraded in this bathroom that I could see is the tile flooring. Otherwise, it's that 17 by 17. And I'd have to double check, but I think these cabinet colors are standard. I believe they are. Okay, see up here, you're gonna have transfer grills that regulates the airflow in the house, so the temperature stays pretty consistent, but also prevents doors from slamming. Let's say if you have a window that's open. Now this room is gonna be about a 10 by 10. Okay, so as you can see, this is gonna be a full-size bed. Also, when it comes to like the lights in the bedrooms, you won't have any type of lights or so standard you would have nothing. I know a lot of buyers, they typically like to add the ceiling fan light, the pre-wire to the ceiling fan light, so that way they can install like a ceiling fan and also have a light. Okay, so walk-in closet. Okay, so you got a place for your linens. Then you have another office here. Again, this room is going to be a 10 by 10. Okay. Cool walk-in closet. Okay, nice. We got these two windows here. Allow for some natural light. So this is the primary bedroom. Cool. So look, we're actually in a really great location. So we're here, that's Sunset. That road is Sunset over there. We have Southern Hills Hospital. Okay, now we're right off of the 215 freeway, but great area. You have like Cowabunga Water Park close by. We're close to Durango Hotel. Because we're right off the freeway as well, it doesn't take that long to get to the airport or the Strip. And we're close to South Summerlin as well, so great area in the Southwest. So this bathroom setup that you see here, this is standard, okay? So you get the shower tub and this linen closet. There's a couple of different ways that you could have it designed. You could do like the large like shower spa, or you can do, I think it is, there's like two different configurations, okay? So you got your dual sinks, your walk-in closet. You're gonna have your toilet room right here. And it's your walk-in closet. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the Plan 1590. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions, you're curious to know the incentives, you know, just shoot me a text, give me a call. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.